scissors, luminous, stuff like that. Librarian's on, and I think we're ready. Miss Callie and GA. Miss Callie and GA. The librarian in the know. The librarian in the know. Miss Callie and GA. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome and thank you for joining us. And if you're returning, yes, thank you for coming back. Please keep coming back to watch my videos. If you haven't done so already, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. So today I'm going to take you on a day of what... Today you're going to spend the day with me seeing what I get done. So for first things first, we had ran out of supplies for our poster maker, but yesterday the supplies came in. So we've been poster making like crazy because to finish up our signage in the media center, because signage is so important. As soon as your patrons come in, the signage draws them in like, hey, what's over there? Ooh, look at that sign. What's over there? Ooh, ooh, ooh. So that's what I'm doing today. I got already cut out our career spotlight. Once again, I'm going to, in the video yesterday that I did on, give me a second, compelling database logins. I mentioned that on tomorrow, pretty soon I'm going to upload a video on branding. So the theme throughout my media center is this lemon and green background. This is our media center brand. So when students see anything lemony with the green background, they know this has something to do with the media center. So when we start pushing out flyers or events of anything that we're going to do, it's going to have some lemon in the background. They're going to know, oh, the media center is popping. The media center must be hosting this. So today, I'll get to cutting up my signage. Just says Hall Pass Media Center, and it was doubled on both sides, but when I say we, me and my clerk had the great idea of putting the SpongeBob. All right, I'm gonna head out on the back side of it. So yeah, that's what I was cutting out this. We threw that in there with our signage. So I was cutting that out. Then we got the Adulting 101 for our Adulting 101 section. New arrivals, test prep, and career spotlight. So that's some of the signage we did today to add to our already signage-fied, not a word, please don't use it in a sentence, to add to already signage-fied media center. So yes. Okay, so task 2.5-ish. I've actually done some other stuff in between this, but task 2 is my principal sent me a list of dates that she would like me to add to the school-wide calendar. So I'm going to hop to that and see if I can get this done in 10 minutes or less. Or if we speed this up, maybe 2 seconds. It literally took me 19 minutes to put all the dates in, but you wouldn't know that because it took you about 5 seconds while you were watching. So next task, I'm going to make a video for the staff showing them how to use the Elmo document camera. So that's what we're doing now. I'm using Camtasia software to walk them through this, but I will put it in the comments below just in case you want to try it. Good morning, team. I thought that I would hop on here and show you guys how to use the Elmo document camera. I've been getting a lot of questions about it, and so I thought that I would just, hey, make a quick little video and share with you guys. As a reminder, you guys know there are more than one way to skin a cat, but this is the way I found to be true and exact. So and that was the video I made for them, letting them know how it's working them through how to use the document camera. See you when I'm on my next task. So I am going to hang our Adulting 101 posters. There's 3. This one focuses on biohacking. So the right nutrients, everything that has to make sure you're awesome, eat clean, the right nutrients, all that good stuff. Then the next one is worldview. So you see some learn strengths and weaknesses, focus on understanding others, engage with new people. Glasses always half full, pay attention to nonverbal cues. Yeah, because we have a section over here, Adulting 101, with different books. And we also wanted to put some tips. This one focusing on time management, which is a great one. Schedule tasks, set personal deadlines, prioritize work, emit blue light. Telecommuters are more productive. And meditation. Leave your phone. I don't think they're going to do that one, but hey, it's an adulting tip. So I'm going to just hang these in our adulting section. So if you look over here, we have a sign that says Adulting 101, because remember, signage is important. And there's different books, SAT, all the math you ever need, budgeting and money management, high school money book, tips for planning a career, Positively Teen, How Rude, the Teenager's Guide to Good Manners, Proper Behavior, and Not Grossing People Out. So in that section, we're going to alternate books because I ordered a lot more that focus on adulting, just giving kids life skills. And eventually when we're back in the building, I'm going to have a Adulting 101 club so we can do things like how to fill out apartment things, colleges, job applications, FAFSA, write a check just in case, cursive maybe. So just a lot of different things, how to sew on a button, how to iron. Just stuff that kids might need to know how to do. So now I'm going to hang up 3 posters in our section in lightning speed time. So that had, initially was going to put it there, but because I put the glue on the ends, which didn't make sense because there's not enough space, because this is a smaller section, I'm going to have to glue down the middle. But since I didn't want the hot glue to get cold, I had to run it over real quick and put it on that wall because it was more space. So this is our 3 adulting posters in our Adulting 101 section. I'll check in with you on the next task. Next task, lunch and learn. So that's really exciting because they get to see webinar that I didn't get to attend, but I'm kind of watching the video back about in-school advocacy for the Media Center. I put it there. Yay! Going to the next task. Today I am going to finish out my day, I'm going to put together the portable presentation Lectern. I brought 2 of them because they're like basically those little stands. Well, you'll see when I get it all together, but I want the laptops that the kids use to log in. I want to place them on these 2 stands, so that way they have a little sign-in station. So yeah, I have 2 for this video, and for today we're going to do 1. I will put the other one up probably closer to when the children are coming back to the school because we're still virtual. Give me a second to unbox it and I'll be right back. Alright, so I got the box open and it's time to start. It looked a little terrifying when I first opened the box, so I'm just going to give you the same effect that I got. So, here we go. Like, all these pieces was just like, oh, for you. But yes, so let's begin putting together. The direction makes it look easy if you watched my other video from yesterday. Not from yesterday, My other video where I put together the poster display thing, it was only two directions. This one has 4. Nothing on the back, but from the other video I'm going to tag it above. You will see it's not as simple as this little one pager. So let's get started. Okay, change of scenery. They're coming in to do clean shampoo my floors. So I am back in my I'm in my office on the floor trying to put together the rest of it. Hand that one on over there, and I'm going to do these two. Oh, so yes, I am so yes, that is the so this is the finished product. The computer stand where the kids will put their computer. I was about to put the laptop over here, but then you wouldn't be able to see. That would have made no sense. So the kids will sign in here. Let me see. Yeah, even short kids will sign in here and have their own. We'll charge them at the beginning of the day, then set the computers on here so kids can have can log in, have a little login station. Thank you for joining me on a typical day with the librarian in the know, Miss Callie NGA. Miss Callie NGA. Miss Callie.